everyone, this is John Hansbar with Precision Restorations out of St. Louis, Missouri. We're one of the largest one-stop restoration and customization facilities in the nation. Wanted to bring you here, this is a new job in the shop, 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible. This vehicle right here is one of the original Hell cars. Now back in the day, what a Hell car was is it was basically a vehicle that was way overdone. Tons of power, crazy suspension handling. Now this one here is a straight line type drag racer. It's got a blown big block in it, putting out about 600 to 800 horsepower depending on how you set up the engine. Now what we got it in here for is the client is going to be passing this car on to his children, his grandchildren actually, and he wants to make it more streetable for them. So we're going to be putting control arms back under the front, new coilover springs, better steering, better brakes. Basically setting it up so it actually can drive on the street and go around corners instead of just going in a straight line. So this will be a great project to watch, very cool car. If you have any questions about your car or this project, feel free to contact us, or you can look us up on the internet at www.precisioncarrestoration.com.